iPhone, iPhone, iPhone 3, iPhone 3,
iPhone 13 Pro
iPhone
Max.
3 Pro,
The iPhone 13 Pro
iPhone,
Max's stellar cameras, 120Hz ProMotion display, and longer battery life add up to a practically perfect phone in our testing. The charging could be faster, and Touch ID would be nice, but overall this is a beast that can't be beat. The iPhone 13 Pro Max nails practically every aspect of what makes a smartphone great. This premium flagship packs a 120Hz refresh rate display, the fastest performance of any handset and epic battery life. But it's the iPhone 13 Pro Max's cameras that put this phone over the top, as they're the best I've tested on a phone so far. You can shoot cinematic mode videos with a compelling bokeh effect, choose your own photographic styles and take super close-up shots with a new macro mode that leverages the ultra-wide camera. The iPhone 13 Pro Max retains the flat edges of the iPhone 12 Pro Max, but looks a bit different. For one, the camera array is larger than before, so it takes up a bit more real estate on the back of the phone. Weighing 8.46 ounces, the iPhone 13 Pro Max is also notably heavier than its 8.03-ounce predecessor. But I'll allow that given the new iPhone Pro has a larger battery. The biggest upgrade to the iPhone 13 Pro Max's display, and biggest upgrade overall, is the new ProMotion display. The 6.7-inch panel can dynamically scale its refresh rate from 10 Hz to 120 Hz, which results in smoother overall performance and animations. The iPhone 13 Pro Max has a bigger camera array for a reason. The main wide camera is Apple's largest yet at 1.914 megapixels, while offering an f1.5 aperture, which is rated to deliver a 49% more light than the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And the ultra-wide camera offers a larger f1.8 aperture for brighter pics, while offering a wider field of view. Zooming on the iPhone 13 Pro Max gets a boost as well, as the iPhone 13 Pro Max's telephoto lens offers a 3x optical zoom, up from 2.5x on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And there's lots of camera upgrades beyond the hardware. For example, the iPhone 13 Pro Max leverages the ultra-wide camera to capture images as close as 2 centimeters away. I really enjoyed getting up close with this piece of wood on a nearby beach. While the iPhone 12 Pro Max struggled to get close, I could capture every nook and cranny with the new iPhone. The cinematic video mode on the iPhone 13 Pro Max is so good that you'll feel like a mini Spielberg. That's certainly how I felt after shooting several clips that apply a bokeh effect to your footage and automatically switch the focus to multiple subjects depending on what's going on in the frame. Thanks to its new A15 Bionic chipset, the iPhone 13 Pro Max is ridiculously fast and grabs the title of world's fastest phone. I got totally lost in the Warp Drive racing game, which delivers fast frame rates and silky smooth action even as you zoom around the track. Now we come to one of the best parts of the iPhone 13 Pro Max review, battery life. Thanks to a larger battery and other enhancements, the iPhone 13 Pro Max lasted a fantastic 12 hours and 16 minutes on the Tom's Guide battery test.
Pro Maxi, iPhone Pro, iPhone Pro Maxi, it's so easy. iPhone Pro.